Wayne here, and imagine my surprise when the legends at INNOVV sent me this little bad boy to unbox, test and review. But when I say test, I don't mean baby it, I mean test it for war. Because no one, and I mean no one, is harder on gear than I am. Because I'm a dirt bike rider, baby. And not even a good one at that. But sadly, I've had more flat tyres than I care to think about. Bush tracks, mud bogs, rocks the size of small planets. Every time I hear psst, my soul leaves my body. Plus, this stuff is personal because for years, this was my only hope. I've been pumping for so long I could bench press a rhino, but not anymore. Because INNOVV said,
Wayne, try our P1 Portable Tire Inflator.
And I said, can it survive me? Well, let's dive right in and find out. Old pump, cardio workout. New pump, Armageddon in a box. But it's still in its box, so let's get to unboxing. The INNOVV P1 Tire Inflator has it all. 150 psi power. That's enough to inflate a tyre or a small moon. Cooling system flex. My $2,000 gaming laptop doesn't even have that. Overpressure protection. Finally, a device that protects me from my own stupidity. Battery flex, 6,000 milliamp hours, 22 minutes of inflation time, or one full episode of me screaming at flat tyres. And it's a power bank, because us YouTubers have more gadgets than the Batmobile. And for the moment of truth, when I turned it on, it actually turned on. Thank goodness for that, or this could have been the shortest review in YouTube history. Just imagine explaining that to INNOVV. But it worked, so that's 5 stars from me already. And it's even got a built-in light and SOS mode. Wow, I certainly could have used that on my last 12-hour adventure / rescue / recovery mission. So before I put this pump to the ultimate test, let's just recap the cool features this little pocket rocket has under the hood. Like 150 psi high pressure technology, 60-second rapid inflation, 5 scene modes available for selection, air-cooled cooling system, inflate, ride, conquer. Alright, we've seen what it can do, now let's see what it's really made of. Because this isn't just a tyre inflator review, this is the pressure test. So let's go pump some tyres. We'll start small. My humble mountain bike tyre. Because hey, let's face it, we've all had that feeling when you rock up to the track all excited, ready to tear it up with the boys, and before you even unload the bike, psst, your day's over faster than a meat pie at Bathurst. Mate, there have been times I've spent longer trying to keep a tyre inflated than actually riding. This is where the INNOVV P1 earns its keep, because 60 seconds later, she was done. Not bad at all. That's faster than me finding my tyre levers in the shed. Phase 1 complete. Next up, my Enduro bike. Well, technically it's not mine, but possession is 9/10 of the law, they say. The front tyre that laughs in the face of hand pumps. And the mighty P1 did us proud at 1 minute 30. I should stress that I am pumping all these tyres from dead flat to trail pressure ready. I mean, I couldn't even brew a coffee in that time, but this little pump didn't even flinch. Still going strong and still cooler than me in summer enduro gear. And finally the big girl, my Yamaha Tenere 700 adventure bike rear tyre. A black hole that consumes air and dreams. The cooling system was working a little harder because I pumped all of these tyres up one after the other. I told you I'm hard on gear. And they do state in the user manual that you should turn the pump off after 5 minutes of use to let it cool down. I know, I was shocked too, not by the warning, by the fact that I actually read the manual. But lo and behold, 3 minutes flat to pump up my adventure bike's rear tyre. That's quicker than my adventure mates deciding where we should go for lunch. My fellow adventure riders, ladies and gentlemen, the INNOVV P1 portable air compressor just survived the Artist Wayne pressure test. So I will definitely be adding this little powerhouse to my motorcycle toolkit, and so should you. So make sure you click the link below for a discount, and yeah, I get a little kickback as well, which of course goes straight into my Swiss bank account in Zurich. So it's a win-win for everyone, because no one, and I mean no one, wants to be stuck out on the trails with a flat tyre. I'm Artist Wayne Dowson, and thanks for watching everyone.